Hello, let's make some Dutch babies or German pancakes. It's the same thing. So today we're going to need some milk, eggs, flour, some salt, vanilla. We're going to put everything in the blender, blend it up. We're going to need a pan, 9 by 11 or 9 by 13, melted with butter, put in the oven, preheat 400 degrees. In a blender, put all the ingredients. First the eggs, milk, and then the other stuff. Blend it. Once the oven is heated up with the pan inside the oven, take it out. So the butter needs to be sizzling hot. And then pour this mixture in this pot or pan. And it's awesome. It works very good. You don't need a Dutch pan for this. It works perfectly fine. Into the cake pan that I use. Kind of move it around a little bit. Put it back into the oven. And let it cook for about 10-15 minutes or until the sides start to golden up. So as you can see, it's rising. It's just doing amazing. Just look at that. Look at that rising. Isn't that cool? And this is very delicious. And you don't add too much sugar in here because, as you can see, come out so perfect. Now is the time to sprinkle with some sugar. And serve this right away because it will go down, some parts of it. So serve this immediately hot. Tastes the best. Enjoy. I hope you guys liked my video. Please like and subscribe. And I'm about to go enjoy some of these goodies. It tastes very good. And it's so fast. And you don't even need a Dutch pan for this. Just use a regular cake pan, or a roasting pan. Yeah. Just sprinkle with sugar or some honey. And there you have it.